Okay, so here we've got some Loganberries. Now these are just basically massive versions of raspberries. I think they're a cross between a raspberry and a blackberry. Some hybrid sort of thing. And they taste absolutely lovely. But when you take them off, you end up with like a little woody bit in the middle. And that's not too good to eat, so you tend to end up like nibbling all the way around it. But there is an easy way to remove that. And I only found this out because I've been experimenting. I looked online and it said when you pull it away from the plant, that'll come out, and it just doesn't come out. I mean, that is really ready. I mean, it's practically purple, you know. And I've had other ones where they've literally been hanging off the plant, just about rotten, and they still come out with that on. So I'm going to show you how to easily remove that. Okay, so here we've got a straw, which is a metal straw that I bought off Amazon. I think it came in a pack of 5 or something. It was only, I don't know, 4 or 5 quid or something for a pack of 5. And it also comes with little brush cleaner things you can just push down to clean them. But this is perfect for removing the centre of your Loganberries. You just push it in, out the bottom. See it coming out there? Absolutely awesome. And it does a perfect job every single time. There you go, you just push it through till it sticks out the bottom and lift it out. And all you're left with is the fruit, which tastes absolutely lovely. There you go. Spot on. And if it gets stuck in the straw, you just give it a flick and it comes out. Perfect. I don't know why I couldn't find this tip online, but hopefully you guys haven't seen that tip already and you can make use of it. Simple metal straw does a cracking job. Thanks for watching. See you next time.